and welcome back to the greenhouse series. This time I do want to build a desk, some furniture for the greenhouse, and it's going to be right there so that I can put plants on it and some empty pots or tools underneath it. First I do build the upper part of the table where I intend to have some plants sitting on it. It has not a rectangular shape as you can see here. It gets thinner or smaller to the front, so the largest piece will be at the back against the wall. Of course I'm going to sand all the pieces and then I will glue them together. For all the pieces I do use regular white glue or wood glue that dries translucent. Then I'm going to use these pre-made sticks that you can buy in craft stores. These are usually used for banisters or railings for stairs in the dollhouse, but I'm going to use them as desk legs. I'm going to sand them on the edges and glue them to the tabletop. To add some more dimension to the table, I do want to frame the table from the lower side. So I use some thinner strips of wood, cut them to length, and put them all around the edge of the upper part of the table. And the same procedure as every time, James. I'm going to sand them before I glue them. And once this is all done, I do want to have a second layer, more to the ground, where I can add some pots and tools, everything that could be useful in the greenhouse. And I do want to have it the same shape as the upper part. You do see the table turned upside down here because I do want to add some stabilization underneath the lower layer of the table. The miniature doesn't really need stabilization, but in real life it would have this function. And details do matter to me. Of course, I do add some coloration in the greenhouse design color. And the last step will be to add some matte varnish to seal it all in. And this is the finished table. What do you think about it? It is not perfect. It looks a bit wonky to me, but I love it. Let's give it some love. As always, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and maybe you also do want to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice one. Bye bye.